what's up guys, and we're back with another Ragnarok The New World game content dito sa ating channel. But yes, please before we proceed po, don't forget to follow and heart or like all of my TikTok uploads po, and sa YouTube ko naman guys, don't forget to like and subscribe lahat ng videos po natin doon, no? So ayan mga bro, this time naman ito na yung mga nagre-request ng ating rifle build na actually dapat last week pa. Kaso may inaantay kasi kung specific skill sa gear ko na hindi ko makuha last week. So eto, this time nakakuha tayo this morning, nag-forge tayo, and luckily nakuha natin siya, na-forge natin siya. And again guys, FYI lang all of my gear skills are only violet skills, like level 3. Level 3 naman sila, pero so far goods naman . So much better kung makakakuha kayo nito ng mga orange skills, mas tataas lalo yung DPS nyo, yung damage ng build nyo, ng rifle build nyo. Okay, so let's start now with our stats guys. So as you can see, we have 99 dex and then the rest is Agi. Pero you can try naman na going 90 dex to guys, and then the rest is Agi. At least at ang maganda rin kasi dito mga bro is dapat ma-reach nyo yung 193 attack speed ng without freeze buffs. Okay, or freeze buffs, or without using last stand skill. Okay? So that's the main reason. And then syempre yung dex natin is basically to increase the damage per hit or overall damage ni rifle build ko guys. Okay? So FYI lang mga bro ito ano lang naman, personal attest lahat-lahat. Okay? Never ko siya nakita sa iba kasi sobrang bihira nga ng rifle build guys. Alam nyo naman, puro yung gunslinger ngayon, puro Gatling talaga sila. Although malakas naman ang Gatling, pero medyo may kamahalan kasi yung item niya guys . And if naghahanap kayo ng specific build na makakasabay sa DPS or sa lakas ng Gatling, isa to. And may mas advantage kasi itong si rifle kasi nga, mas long range siya kaysa kay Gatling gun. Okay? And kay shotgun syempre. Okay, so that's our that's our stats for our rifle build. And then sa skills naman natin mga bro, so on our first job skills yan, makikita nyo meron pa akong remaining na skill points. Hindi ko pa alam kung saan ko ilalagay. Pero for now, we have the bullseye level 10, cracker level 10, tracking level 10, and then platinum altar level 10 na nag-activate siya once na hindi kayo naka last stand skill. Okay? And then sa second job mga bro, we have the armor piercing rounds, disarm level 10, what else? Eternal chain, last stand, hindi mawala. Okay, so that's our second job skills. And then sa advanced second job naman guys, we have the unique bullet na isa sa main skill, and then the other one is the spiral shot. Ito yung dalawa sila guys. Ito yung dalawang main skill nyo na hindi dapat mawala. So as you can see, hindi pa ako nakakapag-wish, kung alam niyo yung wish. So wala pa silang +1, +2 sa level. Okay? And then lastly is itong focus aim. Huwag nyo kakalimutan itong focus aim. Sobrang halaga niyan guys. Okay? Yung remaining stats, remaining points, hindi ko pa alam kung saan ko ilalagay. Possible dito sa auto grenade launcher. I don't know. Let's see na lang kasi for sure magkaka-update pa rin naman ako dito kay rifle build guys. Okay? So that's our skills. And then sa auto mga bro, ano ba nakalagay? So we have the spiral shot dito sa number 1, and then sa unique number 2 is unique bullet. And then number 3 natin na mina-manual skill is itong last stand. And then the rest is ayan, we have the platinum altar. Ba't ang layo ng focus aim ko? Nasa set 2. Ayan. Okay, that's our skills guys. That's our auto skills for our rifle build. And then still the same guys dito sa guild skill. Okay, meron pala akong pang-upgrade. Upgrade natin siya. Ayan, nagdagan natin. Ayan. So ayan guys, we prioritize getting P attack and damage bonus. Okay? Alright, so that's our skills. And then sa gears naman natin mga bro, as you can see, sa mga nakatutok sa channel ko, still the same lang naman din guys yung mga items natin. Kasi nga hindi naman ako magsiswitch ng class na hindi ko mapapakinabangan yung mga items ko. So as you all know, this is my current items for my previous classes, my previous builds. Sa shotgun ko, sa archer ko, still the same guys. We have the Gale set na level 70. And then sa weapon natin mga bro, okay, so this is tested na guys. Bakit nag-stay ako sa 55 na Royal Rifle? Kasi guys, tinest ko yung orange and yung orange ng rifle ng 55 and yung orange ng rifle na 70, mas malakas pa rin si 55 na Royal. So meaning, dun lang ako nagbase sa kanya kasi basically wala naman akong 70 na Royal rifle. So I only have this one. But then, may mga nagsasabi rin naman sa akin na other rifle build na mas malakas nga daw talaga itong si 55 Royal rifle. So we stick to this. And papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung damage input nitong baril na to guys. Kahit 55 weapon lang, sobrang sakit niya, sobrang lakas niya. Okay? So ayan, as you can see guys, we have the Celestial Unit na level 3 gear skill dito sa weapon natin. And then sa accessory natin guys, we have the Little Bit level 3. Ito yung hinihintay ko last week na hindi lumabas. So kanina umaga lang siya lumabas. Kanina lang siya na full up kanina nung nagpo-purge ako. And then the next one is we have the Crimson Marker guys, level 3. Okay? So ito yung pinaka-fix skill niya for me guys na nag-work para sa akin na sobrang malakas yung DPS nyo sa PvE and PvP. Pero much better if makakakuha kayo ng mga orange skill na ganito, mas tataas pa lalo damage nyo guys, okay? So aim nyo na makakuha ng mga special skill na orange guys. Okay? And then still the same naman, we have the Orc Archer cards sa dalawang natin, accessories guys. Yan. And then sa weapon guys, kahit anong cards naman kasi dyan guys Kumbaga kung ano yung mag-work para sa inyo. Pero sa PvP, I suggest go for Scale Worker and Hydra. Okay? Or Scale Worker or isang Hydra and isang status effect na cards. And then same thing mga bro, we have the Choco card, ISIS. Wala tayong magandang cards guys Wala akong Argiope dito para mapalitan ko tong rocker Mas maganda sana Argiope yung isa. And then dito mga bro, we have the Matir and Igira. Kung mas maganda kung dalawang Matir. Kaso hindi tayo swerte sa cards guys And then same thing sa mga sa mga headgears natin, kung ano lang yung available na cards na meron kayo. As much as possible, kunin nyo yung mga attack cards para mag-increase palalo yung P-attack nyo. And then yan, Hornet. What else? Okay, so that's our items. Sa relic mga bro, still the same. Papalitan ko to. If needed na, if meron ako mapapalit na pandex, papalitan natin to guys. Much better kung makakuha tayo ng mga dex resonance effect. Okay, so since maalat tayo sa relic, so ayan, for the meantime yan muna gagamitin natin. And then sa Rune Engine guys, still the same pa rin naman. Much better kung mali-level to nyo tong si Blue, si Water Resonance Effect for additional 4% P damage. And then meron siyang when dealing damage, ignores 5% of the target's P def and M def. Kaso yun nga, so, malas pa tayo sa mga naroroll natin, wala tayong makuha na asul. So for the meantime, ito muna yung ginagamit natin, okay? And then aim nyo guys, kumuha kayo ng mga attack dito, attack percentage, attack, raw attack stats as much as possible para to increase your damage pa rin talaga. Okay? So, yan. That's our Rune Engine, guys. What else? Ano pa bang pwede nating ipakita? Shadow Gear, mga bro. Ito pa rin naman yung Shadow Gear natin. Kung ano yung default nyo lang na nakukuha sa Final Mirage. For the meantime, yan na muna. Kung wala pa kayong orange. Goods pa naman tong si Violet Gears. Okay, si Rare Gears. Okay. And then, yan. Siguro magta-test damage na tayo, guys, no? We're going to do a test damage. Okay. Punta muna tayo dito. Training dummy. Okay. Still the same. Ang babanatan natin guys is si GTB. Si Golden Tip Bug kasi we have Minoros and Caramel card to maximize the damage sa MVP. Okay. GTB. HP Lock, Invisible, Monster AI. Okay. So, palit muna tayo ng cards. Baka makalimutan na naman natin. So, we have the Minoros and papalitan nyo to ng Caramel card. Kasi insect siya guys. Okay, palit tayo ng water ammo. And then pulsa tayo guys and attack. Wag na tayo mag-bit, hindi naman tayo babanatan yan. Agi and then Dex. Tapos buffs tayo nitong minus sa size penalty. And then for the sake ng video guys, maglagay tayo ng Itong concentration pots. Okay, to maximize the attack speed. Attack na tayo guys ha. Ayan. Lagay tayo ng last stand. Check natin yung DPS natin mga bro. Set natin siya. Ayan, we're hitting 1.3 M guys. Damage per seconds. 1.3 M, 1.2 M. So, tignan natin yung stats natin ngayon. So we have 193 attack speed guys. Walang buffs ng pare. Raw buffs lang tayo mga bro. Raw foods. Yan, we're hitting 1.2 M per seconds guys. Yung hit rate natin. As a semi free to play, mataas na yung ganito guys. Siguro magpapalit lang ako ng Royal Gun pag tungtong ng 80. Baka mas better, baka mas mataas na yung damage niya compare sa 70. Ayan, as you can see guys, we're hitting 1.2 M per second. Sumabot tayo ng 1.3 kanina. Okay. So, I think guys, hanggang dito na lang ang ating video and I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa naging build natin dito and please continue to support me guys for more Ragnarok the New World classes builds. I don't know if magpapalit ako very soon, baka next month, baka mag-try tayo ng Assassin, Sonic, anong build yun? Soul Destroyer build ata yun, something like that. Kasi same cards lang din guys yung gagamitin nyo doon. So possible na magpalit ako ng Assassin next month. Okay? So ayan guys, I think we're all set and yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one guys. Bye bye for now.